Thank you for tuning in with Juan's Auto Diagnostics. Today we have a 2006 Lexus LS 460 with a sorry about that. The main concern is a B2416, which is a high control sensor. The vehicle pretty much has two of them. As you can see, it says right front high sensor and right rear high sensor. It's going to be kind of hard to do this with one-handed, but I'll do my best. Let me see, where is it at? Can you see this arm? It pretty much look like a lateral link or sway bar link, but as if you can see, it is connected to this bracket, and that bracket does move up and down, and it goes from here all the way up to the computer. Now on the back side, that's what I found when I lifted up the vehicle. As you can see, here's a bracket that where the, let me put this right here. Here's a bracket where this arm is connected to, snapped off. Clearly from here. You can see I'm still, pieces are still dropping. So it will need a new, I'm going to see if I could just put a new arm from this point to that point and see if that helps. But just to check and see, I'm going to put you right there. So I want you to go ahead and focus on the bottom value. You can see I could change the value. I'm not able to do all the way through, but it shows us that the sensor is still able to respond, that there's no breakage within the wire, or the circuit is intact. So let me see what I could come up with, or find out if I could find a little arm. That's another way to check. Always physically check your components, make sure they're not broken, make sure there's no corrosion, and go from there. After looking at my codes on a B2416 on the Lexus, as you can see here is the level sensor for your height. Pretty much it's just straightforward. I'm going to ask for it to be replaced, but I'm going to still test the component, make sure that it's able to read wherever the computer is pushing out. So I'll be back. As you can notice on the Lexus, now that AFS lights off, which is an active front lighting system. And if I go to my my live data information, you can see the front is at 2.2 volts and the rear is at 2.11. If that's close enough, the computer's happy with it, along the customer happy, everything should be fine. We ended up talking to him and let him know that the best way to go on this circumstance, it was the original component, but at the time the person don't have the money, so we did the best we can.